Welcome back to Financify, your go-to channel for quick and easy finance tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to log into your Safepal wallet on mobile in a few simple steps. First, open the Safepal app on your mobile device. Make sure you are connected to a secure internet connection. When prompted, enter your Safepal passcode. This is the passcode you set up when creating your wallet. If you have set up your biometric authentication like a fingerprint or Face ID, you will see a prompt. Go ahead and complete the biometric verification. Once your passcode or biometric authentication is accepted, you will land on your Safepal wallet dashboard where you can access all your assets and transactions. And that's it. You are now logged into your Safepal wallet on mobile. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next video.